Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. The Jinzo here. And I'm gonna be playing some Thunder Dragons because it just did well. So I opened up pretty well. You just good, add one that deck thinning for no reason pretty much because I'm just gonna shuffle them all back. This is like so good in this deck. It is so crazy good. Yeah, no, I'm not going to. No. Because why would I pop my own card? That would be retarded. I will pass. Titan pass is pretty good. So, I apologize for not uploading yesterday. I was just like so tired. Instant fusion, okay. Do I have instant fusion in my deck? I haven't seen it yet. I might. I hope like Nintendo Dragon Fusion is a 1 of. I had instant fusion to be a 3 of. It's pretty bad against my deck because I could just chain this. Yes, I want to use my effect. He has to remain on the field, I believe, to resolve, so he won't be able to out me. Wait, what? Oh. Hmm. Also, Shaddolls aren't as good as people think they are. It's just hypo the structure deck. We didn't get enough good cards out of the structure deck to actually warrant the deck being good. The Winda's pretty good, but I can easily out Winda. I'm still tired. I've been getting like sick. We've been having some weird weather here in Texas where like um, it keeps going from cold to hot to cold to hot in one day or over the 2-day period or whatever. And so it's like hard to my for my body to adjust to it. So it's causing me to get congested and just sick in general. I still have some problems going on. Wait, is this the same dude? Ew, this hand. I went over 3 evenly matched. Shit. That sucks. I think this is the same guy. Evenly matched, yeah, it is. Evenly matched is so good against Shaddolls because you can out the window or whatever. With evenly, I kind of wish that I kept evenly matched in my hand. Excuse me. Sorry. Uh, nice BLS. I actually didn't see BLS coming. That's cool. Uh, I don't know why you didn't set cards in main phase 2. That would have been the smart play. He's probably going to keep BLS thinking, the best card in his field. It's fine. Really, he kept it set. Cool. Shocking. Yeah, this is one of the reasons Shaddolls are bad. They just lose so badly to things like Evenly Match and I don't know what to send. I honestly don't know what to send. Guess. That's fine. But flipping a monster isn't that great. So, like, when you brick, you have to set a monster, and obviously, 2019 setting monsters aren't good, isn't what you want to do. Why would you not bounce the monster? Look at just reset that. Okay. That's fine. Call great. Okay. I only have a really good turtle match. I break both games and I won. I don't know if I have time for another match, so let's just go to the deck profile. Like I said, this is just yeah, I do have instance. It's just a quick order that came up with off the top of my head. So 2 Thunder Dragon Duo, 3 Thunder Dragon Darkhawk, 3 Thunder Dragon War, 3 Thunder Dragon Dark, 3 Thunder Dragon, 2 Thunder Dragon Matrix, 3 Solar Battery Man, 3 Dimensional Shifter, 3 Thorin Lockbird. I may actually play some more hand traps. Maybe like 3 Ash. 1 Thunder Dragon Fusion. Just as you see, I could just cycle it back over and over, and it's searchable and whatnot. So, is it something that I want to play multiples of? 3 Instant Fusion, 1 Gold Sock, 1 Foolish Burial, 3 Allure of Darkness, 3 Call by the Grave, 3 Evenly Match. For the extra, I play 3 Thunder Dragon Titan, 1 of this guy, whatever attack, 1,000 Eyes Restrict, 1 Nightmare Phoenix, 1 Nightmare Cerberus, 1 Nightmare Unicorn, 1 Summoner, 1 IP Max Serena, 1 Appaloosa Bowl of the Goddess, 1 Boreal Dragon, 1 Boreal Sword Dragon, 1 Salutis Gold Dread, 1 Topological Bomber Dragon, and for the side, 3 Nibiru the Prime Being, 3 Wing Dragon or Spear Mode, 1 Dino Wrestler Prinkatop, 2 Mind Control, 3 Dark Ruler No More, 2 Lightning Storm, and then 1 Red Reboot for this like Ultimate Guys matchup. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a link in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. This is Genzo signing out. Bye.